Hello everyone, I am a technology specialist at the Office of Information Technology UT Dallas. Today we are going to talk about the Poly Voyager 5200 UC headset. We are going to unbox it and we'll see the first impressions. Let's begin. Okay, so we are opening the box. Here is the main headset unit. It comes in a charging box, and then we have some documentations and some uh, we have a USB to micro USB cable and then some spare ear tips. If it does not fit your ear, you can change it according to your preference. Coming back to the headset charging box. So when we open this, you'll see the one ear headset, single ear on your screen. And we're going to set it aside for now. And I'm going to talk about the box for now. So in the box, you'll see a dongle, which is, as we discussed in the previous videos, you can connect it to the computer and it will automatically pair. It just fits in right here like that. And then, uh, so the headset fits into this box like something like this. And it also charges at the same time. For the box, uh, we have a micro USB charging port right here. And also, there's one more way you can charge it, which is pretty fun. It's just it just stands on the box like that. Okay, we're going to set aside the box for now. Talking about this headset, this is a very lightweight single earpiece headset which you can put on your ear for like entire day, 9 to 5. Talking about some buttons here, this is the power on off button. As you can see, it's on right now. It's showing the green marking. These two buttons are the volume plus and minus. You can always increase or decrease your volume if you're in a meeting. And the good thing about this is uh, the way you fold it, the way you turn it, it becomes uh, it changes itself for that ear automatically. Pretty compatible with any side of ear which you want to use. Talking about some buttons here, we have the red button right here. This is for the mute and unmute button. If you want to mute yourself while in a meeting, just simply click this button and you'll mute yourself. This button right here, just right next to the earpiece when it connects to the headset. If you press and hold for 4 seconds, that's when it goes into Bluetooth pairing mode. So you can always connect it to your phone or any other device which you want to connect it to Bluetooth. Additionally, we have a micro USB charging port right here as well. If you want to charge it directly with the cable provided. This is a very lightweight and very portable headset, and it's one of the best we have. Uh, and the good thing about it is like it has wind protection as well. So for example, if you have worn this headset and you're out in some windy conditions, then you won't be interrupted with your you won't be interrupted in your meetings because this prevents wind noise and does not allow it through your meetings. Additionally, one more important thing which we wanted to mention is that this headset is comes with an upgradable firmware, and it can be upgraded with the PolyLens app, which we have discussed in the previous videos. Uh, Basically, when it connects to the computer, just open the PolyLens app. You will see it in the interface there, and then you can either restore it or upgrade it according to the recent firmwares. And it basically is future proof, and you won't need any additional support from Poly as such when it comes to this headset. Thank you.